Hi, so we're just doing a quick demonstration of this dust and debris catcher with included laser level. The system has a vacuum pump and a very good rubber seal, which means that if you're drilling, you line it up, quickly just press that and it vacuums to the wall. You can then release it and it holds. You drill, your dust is collected inside. It's also got the laser level kit, which you can adjust to any degree, 90 degree, whatever. So you can keep all your lines completely accurate. And then once you've done, you release on this side and it releases the vacuum, comes straight back off the wall. Really useful, really well designed, and works just as it says on the tin. It's fabulous.